Whoa! Epitome of beauty. Hello, madam, sorry I approached you like this. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow. Get out, get out. Go away, leave this planet. You're too fine. Come on. How can a beautiful girl like you walk alone? Let me be your handbag.
Sorry, beautiful?
Young lady.
Me? Do I look like your mate?
Yeah.
I'm not in any way your mate.
Madam, age is just a number. You cannot use age to qualify love. Madam, don't go. I'm talking to you. Don't go. Flurry baby is talking to you. I can handle you. I have what it takes. I have the dough. I have the ballerine. I have everything. Ask me the street. They call me Flurry J. Flurry baby.
If you know what is good for you, don't even follow me.
Madam, I can handle you. I can handle you. I'll follow you.
Welcome to my house.
Madam, you said a very nice place, oh.
Yes.
Like I said, I can handle you. I can handle anything around you.
Thank you. Yes, it's me, Emmanuel.
Madam, you know tell me say you don't born now.
Of course, I have children.
But no problem, I can handle them. I can handle every.
How are you? Thank you. Hey! Calm down. It's not for you. I just came back from the market. Emmanuel, you can go upstairs. Let me prepare something for you. I'll call you.
Biscuit for me.
There is no biscuit inside. I'll call you when I'm done.
Brother.
Oh, he's my friend.
Yeah, I'm your mommy's friend. Wait, man, this pikin say you born?
That's my son. In fact, it's my last born.
Your last born? Very big, like how? Sorry.
Alright.
Oh, Jesus.
Isaac, how are you?
I'm not fine.
What is it?
I'm hungry.
I want to prepare food now.
I cannot wait. I don't want to wait.
I want to prepare food. I'm just coming back from the market.
Buy food for us now. I will buy food for you.
You, what again?
Buy food for us. We're hungry.
Okay. You push, you calm down. You said you can handle me, right? You guys should meet your stepfather.
Eh? Madam, no go. Daddy, what? Who is your daddy? I'm not your daddy. I cannot be your daddy. I'm not your daddy, God forbid. Oh yeah, wait. Hey, children. Children, daddy loves you. Children, daddy loves you. Children, daddy loves you. Guess what? I bought snacks for you guys. Surprise. Close your eyes.
I'll close my eye very well.
Run. Go punish you and your children. Now me you want kill. You carry two big children for us and our children. Turn the fire all over now.